Hello, so I was just eating breakfast, then I received an email from UP na the results are out. And since I belong to the A to F bracket sa pag-check na results, ayan, pwede na natin siya i-check starting 8 a.m. and it's currently 8:25. So, hinito ko muna yung pagkain ko kasi bigla ako kinabahan. I don't know, I suddenly got so nervous. I don't know what to expect really. Honestly, I'm just trying to convince myself not to expect anything para iwas disappointments or anything. Feel ko, mas lalo akong kakabahan pag bulso results na. Kasi at least yun kasi kailangan talaga ipasa. But this one, well, I don't know, it's making me nervous kasi biro mo, 8 months ka pinaghintay for the results and finally, lahat ng wonderings na did I make it kaya? Lalo na hinilaan ko lang yung UPCAT eh. Yeah, I studied for a month and a half, I think, for this UPCAT. But, ayun, nung pagdating na sa exam na mental block talaga, nakalimutan ko yung mga formulas, ganun. Ayan. So, ayan, open na natin siya. Okay, so, ayan, 8 a.m. to 59 a.m. yung 8F. So, I have to log in sa portal. This is probably the last time I'm gonna log in sa portal. Oh, damn. Okay. Wait. Feel ko di ako pasado. Ayun na, dahil nanginginig ako, I can't type my name right. Okay. Password. Oh my god, ano ulit password ko? Oh my god. Automatic ba pag finill out ko to, results na agad? Hindi mo natitingin. Or like, ganito muna. Oops. May login code ulit. Kaya nga I opened 2 tabs of my email just in case na may login code effect pa. So yun, since naka-laptop tayo, copy-paste na lang. No. Ready na tayo? Ready na ba ang lahat? Ay! Okay. Ready na ba? Oh my god! What? No way! What? Oh my god, that's crazy! Oh my god! That's crazy! That's crazy! I passed UPLB! Oh my god! That's crazy! How? Di kaya yung admissions officer na nag-handle na application ko nagandahan sa picture ko sa 2x2 kaya ako pinasa. Oh my god, that's crazy! That's crazy! That's crazy! Really, that's crazy! Di ko to akalain talaga. Oh my gosh! DevCom. Medyo related siya sa journalism eh. I have some seniors actually from junior high school na DevCom ngayon sa UPLB. But, ayun, oh, but that's crazy! That's crazy! That's crazy! Oh my gosh, how is this even possible? Actually, parang mas nagdududa ako ngayon na nakapasa ako kaysa no, I was expecting not to pass. That's crazy talaga. Like, how did I pass? Really? Mas marami pa tanong ngayon kaysa dati nung naghihintay pa ng results. Like, how? What happened? Ganun.